Hello everyone, welcome back to the English class. I hope you are all doing good. And yesterday we celebrated the 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. As you all know, Gandhiji had incorporated a non-violent resistance and he took the forefront of India's freedom movement against the British rule. So, he believed that truth and non-violence are the strongest weapons to win any battle. So, I hope you are all aware about the details regarding the father of our nation. He completed his early education and he moved on to London to continue his studies. Later, he got his law degree from England. After coming back to India, Gandhiji successfully organized several satyagraha movements in India. And the first or the foremost satyagraha movement is called Champaran movement. So, India's first civil disobedience movement or Champaran movement was started in the year 1916 and it was a struggle against the oppressive plantation system. So, this is the backdrop of the chapter that we are going to study today. It is titled The Indigo and it is written by Louis Fisher. So this chapter is an excerpt from Louis Fisher's biography entitled Life of Mahatma Gandhi. Fisher describes a historic incident from the Indian independence movement, which is the Champaran Satyagraha of 1917. So it is a vivid account of British officials' hostility towards the local population and their oppressive policies during the regime in India. This chapter describes how a seemingly insignificant incident triggered the non-cooperation movement for the first time in modern India. It also highlights Gandhiji's activist agenda to instill confidence, courage and self-reliance in the masses as well as to better their living and social conditions. So, let us have a quick look at the biography of the author Louis Fisher. He was born in the year 1896 in Philadelphia. So after his schooling, he began his career as a school teacher. He served as a volunteer in the British Army in the First World War. Later, he made his career as a journalist and wrote for leading dailies. Some of his works are The God That Failed, The Life of Lenin, and The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. And The Life of Mahatma Gandhi is regarded as the best biography of Gandhi. It is on this book that the Academy Award winning film Gandhi is based. Fisher came to India in May 1942 during World War I and wrote a book on Mahatma Gandhi. The author begins the chapter by explaining about his first interaction or meeting with Mahatma Gandhi. He says that he first met Gandhi in 1942 at his ashram, which was in Sevagram. It was located in central India. Gandhi said that he would tell him about his struggle against the British, which first took place in the year 1917. So he had gone to the 1916 annual convention of the Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. So there were 2,301 delegates and many visitors. So during the proceedings, Gandhiji met a person named Rajkumar Shukla and requested Gandhi to visit Champaran, a place in the foothills of the Himalaya mountain range near the Kingdom of Nepal. So it was an ancient arrangement. The Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. Rajkumar Shukla was one of them. A sharecropper is a person or a tenant farmer who gives a part of each crop as rent. So this is how this chapter begins, by explaining how Rajkumar Shukla met Gandhiji asking him to visit Champaran. Let us look at the chapter in detail in the next module. Thank you all.